Don't mind me, peeps. Just a random recording of a weird noise off of my printer. And some cute drawn and light pictures. Okay, guys, I have a little confession for you while you look at these pictures. Well, back in 2011 and 2012, one time when one of my friends was over, which is what, and all that crap. It was going to do the crap and stuff like that. I know, that's pretty ridiculous. And when I heard that, I would just be like, I just like gasp, and then I would like knock everything over, and then I just went into the living room. Just imagine a 10 or 11-year-old girl just hearing a noise from the printer like that, and she's like, okay, I'm out here. I don't like this noise. Which would be flippin' ridiculous. Okay, I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to imagine that. Okay, I tried not to look at you while you were laughing, Mom. My mom thought that was funny. I was like, I'll give you 5 seconds to figure out. Wait, I'll give you 5 seconds to imagine what it looks like. Mom thought that was hilarious and probably funnier than Brian Regan. Look it up, people, if you haven't seen it yet. Okay, guys, see you later. Bacon Ninja Chop!